Just a pinch of fresh ginger root can transform the flavor of baked goods. It also keeps your body happy and healthy. Here's a closer look at the 10 benefits of ginger. Ginger not only adds delicious flavor to food, it's also full of nutrients. People have been using the root for cooking and healing for thousands of years. Ancient writings from Rome, Greece, China, and Arab countries all describe ginger's uses as a medicine. It was especially popular in Asian medicine as a treatment for stomach issues, including nausea and diarrhea. Other traditional medical uses for ginger include treating muscle and joint pain, cold and flu symptoms, stomach pain, menstrual cramps, and skin burns. Today, people still consider ginger a natural way to soothe an upset stomach, and there's research to back up its health benefits. Ginger is also used in tons of modern recipes. Ginger is a tropical flowering plant that originally grew in Southeast Asia but is now widely available from growers around the world. It's classified as a member of the Zingiberaceae family, making it a close relative of turmeric. The leafy plant grows to about 3 feet tall and produces clusters of greenish-purple flowers. Ginger's root or rhizome is the part used as a spice or healing aid. Depending on the variety, the inside of the root can be yellow, red, or white. It's harvested by pulling the entire plant out of the soil, removing the leaves and cleaning the root. Ginger can be eaten fresh, dried and stored as a spice, or made into tablets, capsules, and liquid extracts. There's about 2% of essential oil in the root, which is used in the cosmetic industry as a fragrance in soaps. Here are 10 health benefits of ginger. Number 1. Prevent fine lines and wrinkles. The antioxidants in ginger can be used to help preserve your skin's collagen, making it an all-natural ingredient for anti-aging routines. You can reap the benefits by cooking with fresh ginger. For more targeted results, rub a small slice of fresh ginger on skin, up to 3 times a day. Number 2. Boost hair health. The people of East Asia have used ginger as a means to promote hair growth for years. In fact, one study found that there's a ginger remedy for solving hair problems like hair loss, dandruff and split ends. To create a ginger-based treatment, blend together onion and ginger and various oils, like olive, castor and aloe, then apply to damaged hair. Number 3. Promote healthy skin. It turns out, common facial skin issues we secretly wish we didn't have, like enormous, plentiful pores and an oily, shiny complexion, can be helped with refined ginger. In at least one study, refined ginger, which is made up of active plant cells from the medicinal Asian ginger plant, was reported to improve the skin structure of women who had skin issues. Number 4. Clear up acne and blemishes. Looking for a quick fix to mask that bad breakout? The antioxidants in ginger can help improve the appearance of, even and restore, skin. Number 5. Prevent nausea and solve other stomach troubles. People have been using dried ginger to help offset that dreaded nauseous feeling that accompanies an upset stomach for thousands of years, dating back to ancient Chinese and Romans ancestors. It's still used today by medical doctors and other healthcare providers to treat stomach aches as well. A spoonful of our ginger pear jam might be a sweet fix for an upset stomach. Number 6. Fight cancer. Thanks to the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of ginger, it's been heavily credited to helping combat a handful of diseases. Because of this, ginger has been widely studied and used to manage, and even prevent, some cancers, too. Number 7. Burn extra fat. Making a healthy ginger soup doesn't just make for a delicious dinner, it also helps keep excess weight off. Since the active ingredients in ginger boost your metabolism, it helps burn fat. Number 8. Act as a natural anti-inflammatory. The antioxidant gingerol is one of the active components of ginger, and the main reason why the spice reduces inflammation in our bodies. To take advantage of the anti-inflammatory property of gingerol, brew a cup of ginger tea. Number 9. Manage dandruff. The flaking can seem hard to control. Before you spend tons of money on brand name products, it's definitely worth trying a do-it-yourself ginger remedy, especially if you're sensitive to most shampoos. Because ginger contains antiseptic properties, it helps get rid of pesky dandruff flakes. Number 10. Deliver post-workout pain relief. Because ginger can help reduce inflammation within the body, it reduces muscle pain that comes after a super intense workout. Ginger has also been used to treat pain-related symptoms in those who have osteoarthritis, with the help of a purified ginger extract. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch our other videos.